So we have absolutely horrible weather today. That is almost full of water. Yesterday I did some work on that wall. It's turned out decent, I think. Time will tell. I need to do some painting with just normal paint over it and then put a light on it and see how that looks. But we have this little issue. Water is coming in onto the new wall, which is not great. I thought these were in fairly good condition, these windows, but apparently they're not. It's a problem with, as I've said before, that piece which is underneath the ledge is wood. So basically water is just leaking in here. I don't know how anyone could have lived here with that little solution, but she did. So yeah, I need to go get some new wood because that's for the office, for the bed frame. So now I have to deal with that little issue instead. I went and bought some wood for these windows that I showed you yesterday, where we have a slight issue. So I'm gonna build some more frames like those for these windows. And then I have something exciting. I have set up the web shop for the sweaters I've been wearing. I've also put a few t-shirts on there as it was requested. So if you're interested, please check that out. If not, that's fine as well. Today I'm going to, guess what? Continue working. Some test paint, which is a pink. It's not 100% correct pink, but it's pink enough for that wall, and I'll do that, and then afterwards I'm going to build some frames. The frames are ready. I'm running out of sunlight. I ran out of plastic and I ran out of staples for that one. I do have a bit of a special contraption. I did just a piece of plastic up here. I did the same on that one. So that should be fine. We have some absolutely horrible color on the wall. That's definitely not what we're going to do in here. That's basically purple. We're going to do salmon pink, but I kind of knew that this wasn't it. But it gives us an idea of the texture we want on the wall. We are going to have to do a lot more sanding on the walls, but this is probably going to work. the method I'm using. So I'm going to continue working as I have, and then we'll take it from there. And the final color and the final paint will be more similar to what it was before, which is not that one. Another day. Today Anna is working on the walls. Yeah. And I'm gonna finish what I started yesterday, which was the windows. The paint is still absolutely terrible, but doesn't matter. And I'm gonna attach that here, and hopefully that will be that with leakage problems in the house. Another day, and I have just noticed that the damp issue that I saw the other day down here, we also have it a bit down here. That's not damp plaster, or I mean it's damp plaster, but that's not because the plaster hasn't dried. It must be something outside on the exterior. And over here we have, well, loads of wet sand down there, which and ivy. We also have all of this. So I'm thinking if that's an issue, because the wall doesn't really look dry here, but we also have it over here. So I'm thinking it's probably because of the old sand and plaster and stuff we have lying all around here, which is just climbing up through the walls. So what I'll do is remove some of that, give it a few days and see how that goes. Apart from that, we have an absolute stunning day. So these guys have not only been using the whole vocabulary of swear words, they've also completely messed up our brand new asphalt. They are putting some new piping in, and apparently you do that afterwards. You put new asphalt on, and you also cut our water line while doing that, which is fantastic. I've been doing this by hand, which is absolutely terrible. That's not way to work. I should have bought a digger the same day as I bought the house. So that might happen, we'll see. We're not gonna let this happen again. We are gonna make sure to clean gradually while working on the facade. I was supposed to head inside to do some more work, but the second set of workout that I had, digging by hand, has left me no choice but to end it here. Please check out the link below to the web store. Please press like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao!